Okay, so it's 10 to 6 in the morning and ngayon pa lang ako matutulog. The reason is because I was sleeping the whole day. I had to take a rest. Okay, backstory why I had to take or why I had slept the whole day. The other day, I went out, so it was a very long day for me the other day. Maraming errands. I went to the dentist, and then I had to go to the mall to take care of a lot of stuff, and then banks, ganyan. Dami kong kailangan talaga gawin. So, parang 12 hours ata akong nasa labas, and it's been a couple of months now since I think it started December. I really, or probably November pa lang, I'm not I don't want to go out na talaga because I always feel that my energy is getting drained. Parang nakukuha ko mga basta it's so hard to explain. Basta limited lang yung paglalabas ako. Limited lang yung time na pwede akong nasa labas. And basta ganun, basta it's so hard to explain. Pero ganun ang nangyayari sa akin lately. Kahapon, since bihira nga ako lumabas, so kahapon, I decided na, sige, pagsabay-sabayin ko na lang lahat ng ng kailangan kong gawin. Since it's within, the area lang naman. Then, well, when I was driving back home, grabe yung feeling ko na sobrang hilong-hilo ako na I felt like my energy, sobrang nade-drain yung energy ko. I've been feeling that hilo, that drain for a couple of months now, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to get a driver, or I want a driver talaga. Parang, well, one of the reasons kung bakit kailangan ko ng driver. Kahapon, first time nangyari sa akin na I felt like pulling over and to take a little rest kasi hindi ko alam talaga, parang hindi ko kakayanin na, I don't know, but a part of me as well, nandun yung hindi, I need to drive continuously para lang makauwi na agad. So, nung nandito na ako sa may village, what I did was, pumunta na lang ako. Well, technically talagang pupunta naman talaga ako sa house ng parents ko before uwi dito sa house ko. What I did, nung pagdating ko dun sa kanila, kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya, I went straight to my parents' room. I had to lay down and I slept for a couple of hours. They actually wanted me na doon na lang matulog. But nung nagising kasi ako, so I told them, no, I'm just gonna go home. I was able to drive na from, saan ba ako huli na nandun? Grocery. I think basta nasa ako sa may Barangay Capitolio area at that time. So from there, tapos it was traffic at that time, balik dito sa village namin, sa may place namin. I was able to drive. So ba naman yung just a couple of blocks away papunta dito sa house ko, diba? So yeah, I insisted na I'm just gonna go home para makapagpahinga rin mabuti. Yun, and then nagising ako na around past 1 in the afternoon na. Then after that, I didn't even, did I eat breakfast? No, I didn't. I just had coffee and then tulog uli ako. So, nung nagising ako, it was really late. Probably 6 p.m. na nun. Past, mga ganon, mga past 5, 6 p.m. And yun yung reason kung bakit ngayon pa lang ako matutulog. Pero, I'm debating do I really want to sleep or, kasi, paano ba? I'm tired, but, yung mind ko, it's funny because my mind is not, yung, what do you call this, yung ayaw niya matulog pa but my body pagod na. Some may say because I'm overthinking. No. If a lot of people might think because you're overthinking, ganyan. Overthinking ng wala na. As in, I'm not, wala. It's maybe because I was able to rest. Yun ang ko ngayon. That's why hindi ako makatulog. So, in case hindi ako matutulog, I'd probably walk punta sa bahay ng parents ko ulit and then visit the cats and then doon ako matulog because it has been a couple of days na rin. I've been wanting to watch a movie. Lagi ako hindi natutuloy because usually nga I'm a night person or probably night person because time zone ko nasa US. Hindi ko alam. That's what I wanted to think na US time zone ako. But anywho, yun lang. Kung hindi nga ako makatulog ngayon, I'd probably walk at least maka-exercise na din. Then doon ako mag-sleep sa house ng parents ko. Tapos pagising ko, siguro I'm gonna go watch a movie. And besides, kakaligo ko rin lang naman. Anyway, so ayun, it's almost 6 o'clock. I'll try to sleep. If wala, talaga hindi ako makatulog, punta na lang ako dun. So, this is just a quick update of what happened. And today's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, and have a good morning, everybody.